What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Xenios Charalambous, and today I'm going to take you with me. We're going to train legs. It's Sunday. I don't usually train today, but I don't know, I just woke up and I thought, okay, why don't we train legs? I really want to make my legs bigger, so I'm gonna take you with me. This is how I start my day. I always start with a homemade mass gainer, which I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I'm going to use almond milk, 1 scoop of protein, Nescafe, banana, peanut butter, and bloomberries, which I have over here. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to drink it, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. This is literally my favorite shake to do. It's so delicious. So I'm going to drink this right now, and then we're gonna go and smash legs. And of course the weather is bad as always, but this is in London almost every single day, so unpredictable. Anyway, we're going to the gym. Make me feel alive, make me feel alive. She make me feel alright. She makes me, she make me feel alive, make me feel alive. Till you come back home, until you come back home. What's up guys, welcome back to the commentary of this video. As you can see, it's a new style of videos. I hope that you enjoy this type of videos. I'm not sure if you guys like it, so I would be super appreciated if you tell me in the comment section below if you like this style. So in this video I train legs. As you can see, I started with squats, and I need to train legs. That's why I named this video I need to train legs, because I think my legs are again one of my lacking points, and what I'm trying to do right now is training my legs twice, trying to go heavy, but slowly now I started to get back where I was. So I lost my strength, I lost a lot of muscle mass, but now I started getting everything back. I'm super happy with my shape, to be honest. It's not that I'm not happy, I'm happy. My body fat is low and my strength is started to get back up again, and that's because I also started taking creatine, and it really helped me a lot with gaining my strength back. So in this leg session, it was Sunday. I don't usually train on Sunday, but I think from now on, I will be training on Sundays legs. It's gonna be a really good thing for me to do it twice. I did 4 or 5 exercises, I'm not sure. I think 4 exercises, starting with squats, then doing the calf raises, as you can see right now, and then I proceed with stiff leg dumbbell deadlift. This is one of my favorite exercises to do, and it's also very easy to perform to target the hamstrings. So this gym unfortunately doesn't have a lot of equipment about legs, so I'm trying to utilize this equipment that I've got over here to basically train my legs. For the final exercise I did leg press again. One of the tips that I want to give you when you do leg press: never lock your knees at the top. I see so many guys at my gym locking the knees at the top. This is the most dangerous thing to do. Always make sure when you do this exercise to never lock your knees at the top. Make sure you sit well on the seat so your lower back is comfortable, and then you are good to go. So this was my leg session. I'm going to see you with the continuing of this video, and I will tell you more about my post-workout. Right guys, I'm back home from the gym. To be honest, I think I got sick. It's so cold outside. This is one of the reasons I hate London. Honestly, last week the weather was good. Actually, last week I was in Dubai, but the whole week the weather was really good, and this is one of the reasons that I hate London. Honestly, I fucking hate London, and I don't know, it destroys your mood and everything. And can't go to the gym. I mean, you have to go to the gym, but you're struggling. So anyway, I'm going to have my post-workout is similar like the pre-workout that you've seen before with the homemade protein shake, but this time I'm also going to add creatine, and I'm not going to add Nescafe, so I'm gonna do it right now. To take my post-workout, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do after. It's going to probably cook in around 1 hour, and then we have a lot of work to do, a lot of work on the computer. I have to finish it before the end of this month because I'm leaving from London again for a small trip, and I'm going to collaborate with one guy that I'm sure you love it, guys. He was also before in my channel, so I'm not gonna say anything. He's a very good friend of mine. What I'm going to cook for lunch is actually something that you know, because I posted this on my previous video. It's that steak recipe, so I'm gonna do it again. I really love this recipe, honestly. It's really amazing. I did it like 4 days in a row right now. It's really crazy to eat the same lunch. This is what I usually do. I like to have the same foods every single day because I know the macros, and I don't really have to use my FitnessPal every single day or my application. I just estimate it with my brain, and this is how I do it. Just put the sweet potatoes in the oven. If you want to know how to do this recipe, I'm going to post this right here, somewhere on the screen. It's an amazing recipe to do, and I'm going to continue with the steak in a little bit. This is what I'm going to eat. As I told you, I have this recipe on my previous video, so I'm going to post a link in the description below and also in the cards, so make sure you go check it out. I'm going to eat this, and after we have to do a lot of work on the computer, and it's mostly for you guys. Alright guys, I just finished all the tasks for today. Checked in all my clients to make sure that they are on the program and they're following everything. And by the way, if you want to join my program, there is a link in the description below. I offer online coaching, so I coach people with diet and workout programs. So it's a really cool service if you want to make some changes to your physique. And I'm gonna make my clothes. I also ordered pizza. There is nothing wrong with pizza, by the way. It's not a cheat meal. If you are going to hit the calories and the macros for the day, that means it's not a cheat meal. That means it's actually a good meal to have. So that's it for this video, guys. It's a new style of videos. I think the lighting here is really good, so I have to make a pose. Yeah, actually it's really good. Oh my god, the lighting here is awesome. Still lean as you can see. I'm trying to get leaner, to be honest, because I have photo shoots coming on the summer, so I want to prepare for that. And of course I'm going to be making more and more videos on YouTube. I really like this style of videos, to be honest. It shows more what I do behind the scenes and this kind of stuff, and it's good for you guys to see what I'm doing. So make sure you like, guys, this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I upload so many cool things on Instagram, and I would love to see you guys there. If you can comment on my latest pictures, and I'm going to spam you back. So I'm going to see you again on the next video. Thank you again for your support. And of course I have the steak. This is a ram steak, organic, from Waitrose. So I'm going to add this in. Right, so right now we basically need to cook the steak for 2 minutes each side, and after we've done with the